Hi, I am Sefa. I am founder. I give Visual Studio Code 4 out of 5 stars. For similar reviews like this, click below. Before Visual Studio Code, I use other code editors, but they didn't work for me because they were not having additional plugins like the Visual Studio Code, and it was not real-time two sides review, let's say, capability. So that's why Visual Studio Code worked for me. I choose Visual Studio Code because of its big community. It is free to download and it is quite fast compared to other code editors. It's quite easy to set up Visual Studio Code. You can download from the website and follow through the instructions directly in the setup file, and it's quite fast and ready to go once you finalize the install. If you are thinking about getting Visual Studio Code, better to check your plugins and what you download when you set up, and better to understand and search also online, as there is a big community, to not to download a possible harmful plugin.